Hello, everyone. This is the big, hairy, talking bear futurist coming to you once again with top 10 strategic anticipations for 2025 to 2030. Over 10 weeks, every Monday, we have been covering a fresh anticipation until the end of 2024. Not long to go now. Today, we are going to speak about our final anticipation. So it's number 10 with the topic of convergence of bio, health tech, and digital. Just a short recap that last week we covered the ninth in our new anticipation series, which tackled the topic of robotics from warfare to welfare. So be sure you don't miss that one. Biological sciences, such as genetics and genomics, are increasingly interacting with digital tools such as analytics to revolutionize and personalize patient care, reducing risk and improving health outcomes. Between 2025 and 2030, we will see an explosion of health data as digital health tools are used more often, resulting in new cures as well as a step change in preventative medicine thanks to the pooling of enormous data sets. The processing of vast amounts of data from clinical trials, insurance companies, and electronic medical records will improve patient care and healthcare delivery. Scientific discovery will also be supercharged by models which can autonomously analyze huge amounts of data, deepening our understanding, creating new hypotheses, and uncovering health innovations. Breakthroughs in deep learning will enable researchers to unlock findings that would have been nearly impossible otherwise, and accelerate the rate of scientific discovery more broadly. Diagnoses and treatments will be well on the way to being specific to the individual by 2030, leveraging genetic, biomarker, and other patient-specific data to tailor treatments, significantly improving their efficacy and safety. Telemedicine and telehealth will be the default come 2030, both for non-urgent ailments in urban environments and also for emergency situations in more remote areas. Depending on where you live and your means, by 2030, patients will have the option to opt in for additional automated algorithmic screening as a safeguard during either a regular medical or something routine like a mammogram. Proteins like DNA are made up of chains of amino acids that fold into unique 3D shapes. Understanding protein structures can help scientists create cures for diseases, break down plastics, and many more. Already, Google's DeepMind AI system AlphaFold can accurately predict 200 million known protein structures. AlphaFold 3 has now been open sourced to academic researchers worldwide, so there is much more to come from this and other models between 2025 and 2030. Genetic engineering, so designing plants or flowers that have never existed before, will see new smells and unique forms created. Let's not forget how your health tech wearables will advance and contribute to wellness, becoming implants, as we explored in week number 4 of this anticipation series. Graphene, the first two-dimensional material made by humans, will also become more widespread in usage by 2030 in fields such as energy, thermal regulation, and electronics, where it can be a flexible, conductive element. Now, despite the positive progress, environmental and ethical considerations will rightly be omnipresent when considering the impact of digital on bio and health tech. There are risks to personal privacy, there's social considerations, and also the energy required to run everything. Challenges will remain around interoperability, as well as consistency of regulation and associated compliance. Nevertheless, the period 2025 to 2030 promises more accessible, personalized, and effective healthcare for many, though sadly, not all. In addition to improving healthcare, longer term, this convergence has the potential to accelerate advances in disease prevention and regenerative medicine, ultimately enhancing the well-being of society. Thanks for watching today and over the last 10 weeks. Hopefully these have given you much to ponder about the next half decade, which will be here before we know it. There will be more videos on the future of emerging tech and its implications coming very soon, so please do like and subscribe. I wish you all the best for 2025 and, of course, beyond. For now, this is the big, hairy talking bear futurist, and I'll see you in the future.